Got a load of logs showing up here. Looks like some poplar. Look here what we're gonna be sawing. This here, they full of red clay mud. I'm gonna have to try the debarker on it. I hope it'll run today. It's been on vacation for a little while. If it don't run, we're gonna be in bad trouble changing blades. What I try to do when I'm sawing these dirty logs is I try to turn the dirty side toward the blades coming out, not going into it. It helps a little bit. But these are so dirty, there's not many clean spots on these. So it's gonna be hard to do. I need to fire the mill up and run these logs on up to the front where you have more room to put some more of them on here. They've all got that mud on them. I'll have to really watch them with the debarker. I've got some blades I've just sharpened. That'll be the blades I use on them, I guess, to keep from dulling some new blades. Here's how we were cutting them cookies the other day. We got that big wide board clamped on there, and we would screw those cookies down to it, and that worked pretty good for us. We're fixing to bring the first poplar on here. We're sawing 7/8 of an inch by ever how wide they'll make. He don't care how wide they are, he just wants them 7/8 of an inch thick, and they are dirty with some Tennessee red clay on them. I'm going to try to run the debarker. I hadn't got it straightened out completely yet, but I'm going to try to run it as much as I can, as long as it don't start shorting out. I hope it'll work. If not, we're going to have some dull blades real fast with all this red clay on it. I'll have to get in the habit of running that debarker again. I hadn't been running it in a little while because of it messing up. We got us about a 6-inch face there on that first cut. That'll be pretty good. It should make a 6-inch board. I'm running a resharpened blade. I don't know how many times it's been resharpened. I would say this is probably the 3rd sharpening, so we're subject to break at any time. The water ain't working right. I'm gonna have to go and get the water straightened out, get the bugs worked out, and maybe we'll be able to get some sawing done here. It usually takes a little while after you ain't sawed in a little while to get everything worked out. Maybe that got it fixed. There's some water coming out, it's just not spraying. And I need it spraying. It still ain't spraying. I'm going to have to go blow through the lines. This ought to be my last cut. I should be able to turn it up and start making boards after this. We're at 7 inches right here. First board or two will probably have to be edged. I'll have to pick the other end up just a little bit to get it level. This first one I have some bark on it. It ought to make a 1x4 or 5 maybe. I like sawing poplar. We seem to break more blades on poplar though than anything. Oops, that board fell off. He got it straightened up out there. I don't know why we break more blades on poplar. I guess because it's kind of soft, and I may push the saw harder on it than other woods. I'm still not getting any water. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to have to go out here and try to find out though, because I need water or that blade will be broke fast. I hope that red clay is showing up to y'all. I ain't never seen like, well, I have, but it's been a while. I'm trying to turn them to where my blade ain't going in to the red clay so much. It helps a little bit. That debarker stopped working. We in trouble today on these. These here is 13 inches wide. Yeller poplar is what I call it. I think that's what it's called. Got some dark grain in the middle of it there. This one here's got a bad spot in this end of it. Looks like a hole in it. Ooh, look at that pretty grain. That board there, you could make something real pretty out of it. I wish they'd lay it out separate out there and I put a little water on it. It would really look good then. That color in that poplar just looks so good. This is sawing out a lot of stuff, a lot more than I thought. We still got several logs to go. We're a little over halfway through with them. We've got a pretty good stack here. And they are pretty. Got quite a few to edge too. So it's gonna turn out a lot of poplar. That's 12 foot long. The ends on these right here is trying to split a little bit in this heart. We got one stack here. I gotta try to get a band on it so we can get them set out of the way. Got them ready to go. Where's the load there? How many feet? We'll figure it up here after a while. See how many feet's in that. It's 12 foot long. We've got our burl stacked and stripped here, and some cypress cookies stacked and stripped. That's a piece of walnut there. That's a piece of cypress that's been sanded on just a little bit. Looks like they never got the water figured out this morning. I reckon we'd got some dirt in our jug up there. It just kept stopping up. Well, we're done for today. Well, this old muddy log's turned out some real good stuff. I think he'll be happy with it. It's some real nice poplar. I guess that's about all we're doing here today. So I thank y'all for watching. I pray God blesses you, and I'll see you in the next one.